Hello and welcome to another demo video of a new GrabCAD Print Pro feature. Today I'll demonstrate how to enable the auto repair functionality in GrabCAD Print 197, which automatically checks and repairs your models upon import. Looking at this tray I've opened, you'll notice I've imported a faulty model. Print has identified that this model contains open faces. I could manually repair this by navigating to Analysis mode, opening the Model Analysis panel, and clicking Repair All Models. However, doing this every time can be tedious and time-consuming, and as a user I just want this done for me automatically. To enable this feature, let's head over to the User Preferences and navigate to the Model Settings section. Here you'll find a new checkbox labeled Repair Models Automatically. I'll enable this option and click Save. Now I'll import the same faulty model again. As you can see, this time the model was imported and repaired for me automatically on import. There are no open faces and I can just go ahead and print this. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this quality of life improvement.